In this video I want to show you how to use the multi-tool and how to change the dates of assignments and other announcements in batch, where you don't have to go into each assignment or quiz, so you can do it in batch, and it's called multi-tool. So if you don't see it here on the left hand side in the navigation bar, you go to settings and you go to navigation and then search for multi. Control F, multi, and then we scroll down and you see that the multi-tool is down here in the inactive section. So up here you have your active parts, and if you scroll down you can see these ones are the hidden items from the students, and then you just click on the three dots, say enable, make sure, and then you can drag it up to a different spot if you like. Instructor tools, let's put them right there, and then make sure you always save, and it's at the very bottom here. Here, the save button is down here. Here we go. Okay. All right. So we have our multi-tool here now. So we go to the multi-tool, and then we go to the calendar item, the due date modifier. And you can see that you can search by the different items, published, unpublished. And for example, if I want to go to quizzes, where are my quizzes? They should show up. Anyway, let's check assignments. Alright, never mind. So anyway, that should populate with your assignments. Here we go. That just took a little bit. So now we have all of our assignments. Let's go and see the quizzes. So I already have added the dates for our initial assignments. Let's give it a second to load. All right, I need to check what's going on with the quizzes. But here we've got our introductory discussion boards. And again, you can set a date here. So for this one, I just want to do it in a couple of weeks, for example. September 14th. I like to have my deadline Sunday night at midnight. And then again, make sure you say update all. And you can, here we go. These are our quizzes. You can see that you can just add the dates in there. And I usually always just do when it's due, because if you say available from until, it goes away. If somebody is late, you have to go back into the quiz and add and open it again for the students. So I just do my due date. I usually leave mine open so students can work ahead, which I think is good practice, but that's up to you. All right, so again, multi-tool, due date modifier, and you can just bulk modify the dates in these assignments. I hope it's useful.